Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from, this came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Myojo Shokuhin with their Barikata Tonkotsu. That's what's going on. So, let's do it to it, as it were. Let's see, noodle block, flavor, flavor, all the bits and such, and the water that's required to make it go. So let's make it go. And there. And there. So it sounds like today's big story, the 350 million bucks that the former president has to pay. That coverage is over. So let's talk about, oh yeah, so the day before yesterday was Valentine's Day. That went really, really well. I'm super stoked. Super budget, super low budget, but I went, my wife was complaining about how she works at a call center, and when it's slow, they don't want you messing around with your phone, which is cool. But you know, she's got, like, I got her a word find a while back, you know, and she was like, I really wish I had a night, like a book, you know, something that's not like too meaty, just something enjoyable. And my immediate thought was Michael Crichton. He wrote Jurassic Park, Congo, Great Train Robbery. He just wrote a ton of them, and my experience with them is that they were really, really like total page turners. Because of my vision, I don't do a lot of reading, but the last book that I checked out was one he did called Travels, where he was gonna be, it's like more of an autobiography kind of book, and he was in med school, and then he decided to travel, and then decided that, like, his true passion was being a writer, la 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 la, and it's all about that. And I found that and The Great Train Robbery at a thrift store, so that was a score. And God, what else did I do? They were hand dipping strawberries at the grocery store. I thought they were gross, but I thought it was kind of romantic, so I got her some of those. And her favorite thing is, her favorite candy are Cadbury mini eggs. Not the creamy ones, but the regular ones that are kind of like a big egg-shaped M&M with an extra hard shell. Those things. Well, if you're in Canada, you can get them year-round. But here, they only come out at Easter. Well, I was looking for stuff to do for Valentine's Day because I had a few bucks and it was Valentine's Day. So they had already started switching over from Valentine's Day stuff to Easter stuff at the Rite Aids downtown. And so I went there, and boom, sure enough, they've got them. And got the kids some Valentine's themed Hershey bars. What else? Oh yeah, I made my regular recipe for pizza dough, so I can make breadsticks. So I made breadsticks, and then I made Alfredo and pasta for dinner. And I did something else. I think. No, that might have been all of it. That was a lot. It was good. Oh yeah, we had some little shots of Fireball whiskey in the fridge, but we didn't have any mixers, so I went and I got a Pepsi so we could mix it. She likes it better with root beer, which that's just a little too sweet for me. She's like, you can't even taste it. I'm like, I like to taste it. So, I like the caffeine. I do like my caffeine. It's very good. It's a flavorful foray. Okay, here we are. We are done. So let's have a look. Tonkotsu. Yeah, Barikata Tonkotsu. It sounds like bariatric Tonkotsu. I know this is... I mean, it does go into your stomach, right? Isn't that where this will end up? Is in my gut? At least some of it. But there's the noodle. It's kind of thin. Cheers. Noodle is good. Noodle has a nice tension. Almost that slight floury Hokkaido kind of flour. There's the broth. There are meaty bits in here, and they're good. Okay. That is a good cup of noodle. Cup of noodles. It's good. It's good. But no, it is not a cup noodle. Although Nissan does own Myojo. You didn't know that. Myojo is part of Nissan Foods. Okay, where do we start? We got some chashu, which I'm very low on. I hate to break it to you. Definitely don't have the budget for more chashu at this point. So what I might have to do is go get some of that barbecue pork at the grocery store, which ain't the same thing. But it works in a pinch. Alright, we got egg. Made these this morning. This time I'm using, the brand is Happy Egg. Made by Happy Hens, it says. I don't know, how do you know if a chicken is really happy? Is a chicken ever truly happy? I wonder if chickens like realize that when people are like taking their eggs, it's like they're taking their children away from them, you know? I don't know. I don't know how to gauge the what do you call it? The intelligence of a chicken. If you do, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell me what you think about chicken logic. That would be good data to have, you know. I tell you though, if AI finds a way to make chickens ultra intelligent, we're screwed. We are so outnumbered by the amount of chickens in the United States versus people. Good luck, chickens. You know, I always root for the bad guy, and the bad guy would be the chicken. Because if there was a way for chickens to do it, they'd be well served by eradicating humanity, that's for sure. We certainly eradicate a lot of chickens. Didn't think I was going to go there, did you? I didn't either. Yeah, if all the animals were really smart, we'd be totally screwed. Here's some shichimi, sesame seed. And that's all we got. And there we are. Come on, Rotato. Show them what you got. Alright, well that's it for me. It's nice out. It was freezing cold this morning, but I think the ice is all gone, so I'm going to go out and get some hoofing in. So, yeah, that's it from me. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe. Really helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.